Dozer the redneck here. We got a special treat today. We got a Colt 1911 Commander 22 long rifle, and we're gonna shoot it one time real quick just to let you hear it. So I'm gonna load this in here, close that. I'm gonna pull the magazine out so it doesn't put another round in when I fire it. Pretty loud, pretty loud. So we got a treat. Remember a little while back in a video I was playing around with the suppressor. Well, we're out here again, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this suppressor on here, and we're gonna show you just how quiet this thing is with the suppressor. It's nuts. I promise you, it's nuts. I wouldn't be making a video if I wasn't impressed with it. And wanting to show you guys so that maybe you guys can step up and get your own. It doesn't have to be too tight. Okay, I got the suppressor on there. Magazine in. Alright, we're ready to go. Oh man. Okay, I'm going to shoot the rest of them as fast as I can. Empty. Boy, isn't that nuts, guys? That's not just nuts. I mean, that's the only word I can use to describe it is just awesome. The actioning of the gun itself and it hitting the metal target back there is way louder than the actual shot. Those are Redneck here. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. There'll be some more videos in the future. I mean, this weather's starting to get nice again, so we're able to get out here and shoot some more. So, thank you for watching.